Hey guys, how are you doing? Our reader that we're going to read together this week is called Get Set Ride, and you can see the title on the right side of the screen. Just going to point out a couple of things. Our new vowel pattern this week was I consonant E. So I consonant E, and the magic E makes the I say its own name and then it stays quiet. Okay? You're also going to see some of the A consonant E words in this story. So same thing, the magic E makes the A say its name. I can't tell here. And then it stays quiet. Okay? So we have the magic E makes A say its own name, the long A sound, and then it stays quiet. Okay? Another thing we're going to see is our new sight word, play. 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 And has. 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 Okay. Another thing we're going to see is the Q and U. When we sound out words, remember Q and U got married and they stay together. So when we see words that start with Q, we're going to sound it out like this. Qua. Qua. Okay? All right. Okay, so over here on the right side, we'll read the title together. Put your fingers under the words. Get, set, ride. Okay, put your finger under the first word and we'll start sounding this out together. Jan, and Ike. Oh, there's our first I consonant E, so it's somebody's name. Ike like to play. They can ride a bike. Yes. Jan and Ike are quick. Okay, over here. Put your finger under that first word and let's sound it out. Ein, ride, up. 9, ride up the lane. Jan can ride up. Other side over here. Jan and Ike ride on Jan led Ike. Jan gave Rex a quick nod. This is a nod. Okay, over to the first page now. The side lane is safe. Jan and Ike ride in line. Other side. Finger into the first word. Jan and Ike ride. Can Ike get a quick time? Can Jan win it? Jan has a quick time. Ike did not quite. Oh, that word, look at that word. It has the qua at the beginning, and then it still has the I consonant E. So it's quite win. Jan and Ike had a fine ride. Okay, good job, friends. Here's what I would like you to do now. Play the video again And this time turn the sound off so that you don't hear me reading, and try to read this all by yourself. I know you can do it. Good job, friends.